Sairam all. How are you children? I hope you all are good. Children, welcome back to your online classes. Children, in my previous video, we have discussed about chapter number 3, Microsoft PowerPoint. Today, we are going to start chapter number 4, Slide Organization. Children, in this chapter, we will cover the following topics. Number 1, adding a new slide. Next is changing the new slide. Next is how to edit text in a slide. Next, moving a text in a slide. Then, copying a text in a slide. And lastly, how to insert a text in a slide. Clear? Children, editing a slide involves adding a new slide, deleting a slide, rearranging slide, changing backgrounds, changing layouts, inserting text box, etc. Children, contents of the existing slides can also be changed. Clear? Now children, adding a new slide. Children, we can add as many new slides in our presentation. When we add slide, we need to consider the layout of that slide. Children, first of all, open an existing presentation. After opening an existing presentation, click on a new slide. It is available on the Home tab. After that, choose any layout. Okay, the PowerPoint will add a new slide. Understood? Now children, look at the screen. It is the screen of how to add a new slide. There are so many slides are there. Different formats are there. You have to choose any one slide. Okay, and add it. Understood? Now children, now come to the how to change a new slide. Children, a layout contains placeholders which hold text such as titles, bulleted list, slide content such as tables, charts, pictures, shapes and clip art. Children, each time when we insert a new slide, we have to choose a layout that matches our requirement. Okay? Children, we have to follow these steps. How to change the slide. Children, a layout can be modified either in the normal view or slide sorter view. Okay? First of all, you have to select the slide sorter view. Okay? After selecting the slide sorter view, choose a slide. After that, you have to click on the layout button. It is available in slide group on the Home tab. Okay? Now children, select the layout according to your need. After selecting the layout, the text on the slide will be rearranged according to your chosen layout. Understood? Clear? Now children, look at the screen. It is the screen of how to change the slide layout. Children, different layout you can see on the screen. This is the slide sorter view. As soon as you are clicking on the slide sorter view, these formats of slides will appear. You have to choose out of these slides, you have to choose any one layout. Understood? Now children, come to the how to edit text. Children, When we type a text in placeholder such as title, subtitle, etc., it can be modified in the variety of ways. We have to follow the following rules how to edit the text. First of all, select the slide. After selecting the slide, click on text. A placeholder within the cursor, with the cursor inside it will be appear. Cursor will appear inside the placeholder. After that, now children, make the changes in the text and then you save it. Clear? Children, look at the screen. You can see this is the slide. How to edit text object. If you double click here, the cursor will appear inside this selected area. If you are double clicking, the cursor will appear here and you can edit any text here. Okay. Now children, come to the how to move the text in a slide. Children, this feature is used to move the object from one place to another. We can also move the object on the same slide or between different slides. Children, follow these steps to move the object. First of all, select the object. After that, you have to click on the cut button or use Ctrl plus X option from the keyboard. The object will disappear from the slide. After that, this is the steps for cut. Okay, and these are the steps for paste. How to paste. After cutting, you have to follow the paste that object which you have previously cut. Children, place the cursor after the last point of the same side. Click on the paste or use Ctrl V from the keyboard. The selected text object will appear at the cursor position. Understood? Now children, look at the screen. Here, moving object on the same side. Children, first of all, select the text. The selected text, this is the selected text, will disappear from after pressing cut button. It is available on home tab. Okay, this is the cut button. After that children, the text will appear when you have placed the cursor after pressing paste button. Okay, this is the paste button. So this is the step how to cut and how to paste your text in the slide. Okay. Now children, copying text. Children, we can copy the object anywhere on the slide, between slide or from one file to another. Children, this feature helps in reducing time and efforts in typing. So, copy and paste option duplicate and selected object. Children, follow these steps. Select the object first and after that click on copy button or Ctrl C key from the keyboard. This is the steps for how to copy. This is the copy and after that this is the step for paste. Okay, how to paste. Place the cursor after the last point. Then click on paste button or press Ctrl plus V from the keyboard. Children, the copied object will appear in its last new location. Understood? Now children, look at the screen. You can see the copying object on the slide. Children, first of all select the text. The selected text get highlighted as soon as you are pressing the copy button. It is the copy button. After that, you put your cursor here, then the text will be copied here after pressing paste button. This is the paste button. Okay. Now children, now insert the text box. Children, sometime you may want to add more text than the area provided for entering text. Children, text box is a placeholder where you can enter and manipulate data. You can move the text box along with its content anywhere on the slide. Okay. Children, follow these steps. How to move the text box. First of all, click on the slide, new slide. It is available in slide group on the home tab. After that, children, enter the title, activities of the month. Suppose I have entered activity of the month text as a title. After that, click to add subtitle. It is a placeholder in the slide. Children, click on the text box tool. It is available in the text group on the insert tab. After that, drag the mouse and release it. Children, you will get a rectangular box with an insertion point in it. Suppose I have entered the text January. Okay. So it automatically adjusts the long text and shapes to the next line. Okay. Children, look at the screen. Here I have entered or inserted text box. This is the slide. I have entered here the activity of the month. The title, I have entered title, the activity of the month. After that, click on the text box in the text group on the insert tab, and I have entered, click to add subtitle January. Okay. And lastly, drag the mouse and release when you have done. Children, you will get a rectangular box with an insertion point here. I have entered the text January here. It will automatically adjust the long text and shift to the next line. Okay. Children, remember this thing. Text box appears in the slide pane of normal view or on the slide tab, but not in the outline tab. Now children, I hope you all are understanding about the slides of MS PowerPoint. Children, we will meet soon in the next video. In the next video, we will study about rearranging the slides and how to insert clip art, word art, insert shapes and using shadow effects. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.